Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best meal prep containers on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Rubbermaid Brilliance Food Storage Container. Aside from the seal, these food storage containers are completely transparent. They also stack easily and are lightweight, sturdy, and leak-proof, making them perfect for packing lunches or taking on the go. If you're storing something saucy, you'll love the airtight seal that snaps closed for extra protection. They're a favorite of both the kitchen appliances lab and test kitchen. These containers come in an assortment of sizes, some of which nestle together, to make portioning out full meals or packing deconstructed salads a breeze. They can be used in the microwave, with the lid on, just be sure to unclasp it first. The Brilliance line also comes in glass, which offers even more versatility when it comes to reheating since they're oven safe. Pros: freezer, microwave, and dishwasher safe, leak-proof, BPA-free. Transparent and stain-proof. Easily stackable. Cons: lids are cumbersome to store. Number 2. Second best pick is BlenderBottle GoStak Food Storage Containers. This 4-piece interlocking container is meant for carrying everything from snacks. It's great for holding a variety, to protein powder or supplements. The special system connects containers of any size in any order. A simple quarter turn locks them together in an exceptionally slim tower that our experts say fit easily in bags or backpacks. It even has a removable carry handle, so you can clip it to your tote instead. Pros: stain and odor resistant. Dishwasher safe and BPA free. Cons: on the small side. Number 3. Third best pick is Sistema To-Go Collection Breakfast Bowl Food Storage Container. If you rely on oatmeal or yogurt parfait for your morning fuel, our experts are confident you'll love these meal prep containers. The 2 breakfast bowls, one slightly larger than the other, keep wet and dry ingredients separate, so you can enjoy your meal at your leisure. The set also includes utensils and locking lids to ensure no liquid escapes en route, even if a smoothie bowl is what's on the menu. Pros: freezer, microwave, and dishwasher safe, BPA free. Includes spoons. Cons: not sold in a set. Number 4. Fourth best pick is Pyrex Simply Store 18-piece Meal Prep Storage Containers Set. Pyrex is known for its long-lasting durability, and their storage containers didn't disappoint in tests. The containers were some of the only ones to show no changes in appearance or function after microwaving, making these a great choice for anyone who regularly portions meals that need to go from freezer or fridge to the microwave or oven. What's more, this 18-piece variety set includes one of the widest variety of sizes, so you'll have a vessel for just about anything. Pros: freezer, microwave, oven, and dishwasher safe. Doesn't stain from microwave use. Cons: lids crack on the side after many uses but can be replaced. Number 5. Fifth best pick is Prep Naturals Glass Meal Prep Containers. These 30-ounce containers are made of borosilicate glass, some of the strongest glass available, for maximum durability. They'll withstand the freezer, microwave, and even the oven. Plus, you can send them for a spin in the dishwasher without worry. We love how well they stack, which helps conserve precious space in your fridge or freezer. With 5 containers in the set, you'll have one for every day of the work week. Pros: freezer, microwave, oven, and dishwasher safe. Easily stackable. Cons: lids are dishwasher safe. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.